First off, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you who have chosen to brighten up your rides with my Etsy e-bike light. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate your purchase. Now, let's dive into the installation process for those of you opting for the no front rack option, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Behind your new light, you'll find 2 screws. Carefully remove them, making sure not to misplace the washers that are sealed to the light. These washers are crucial, so be gentle when unscrewing to avoid accidentally removing them. Now, grab your original headlight from your Rad Power bike. Locate the mounting bracket and the screw and nut holding it in place. Using the appropriate tool, unscrew and remove the bracket from your original headlight. Bend or stretch open your original bracket slightly until it fits snugly between the bracket on the back of my headlight. Take your time to get the fit just right. Carefully reinsert the 2 screws you removed earlier, ensuring the washers stay in place. Don't tighten them just yet. This allows you to adjust the angle of the light to your liking. Pro tip: if you ever decide to upgrade to the Rad Power bike front rack basket, I've included a special bracket in the package to mount your light. Check the link in the description for the installation video, and there you have it. Your Etsy e-bike light is now securely mounted, adding a touch of brilliance to your rides. Thanks again for choosing my product. If you love the light, please take a moment to share your experience with a review. Happy riding and stay bright.